Hi, I'm Paloma Toledo. Today we're going to be talking about our article that evaluated the FAER MSARF participants' scholarly activity and career choices. The number of physician scientists in the United States has been decreasing. This slide depicts both the number and percentage of physicians whose primary activity was research. In 2011, only 1.6% of the physician population reported research as their major professional activity. One reason for this decrease is that the pipeline of medical students interested in research careers has also been decreasing. The Foundation for Anesthesia Education and Research was established in 1986. Its mission is to advance medicine through research and education in anesthesiology. In 2005, FAER established the MSARF program. This is an 8-week-long program in which a student conducts mentored research in anesthesiology and presents their work at the MSARF Symposium at the ASA annual meeting. The goal of the program was to increase the pool of physician investigators in anesthesiology. The objectives of our project were to determine the publication rate of MSARF projects, to determine the percentage of students that entered anesthesiology, and to determine the factors that were associated with entering anesthesiology. We obtained a list of MSARF participants from 2005 to 2014, along with host and project information. 2014 was chosen as the end date because previous studies have shown that the time from abstract presentation to article publication is approximately 20 months. We searched for publications using PubMed, using a combination of search strategies that included both the student's name, their home medical school name, their host site, their mentor's name, and keywords from the project. In addition, we obtained residency match data from Matchlists, Doximity, and LinkedIn. We conducted multivariable logistic regression evaluation of the factors that were associated with anesthesiology residency match. We found that 42% of all MSARF projects were ultimately published. This abstract to publication rate is similar to the abstract to publication rate for scientific research identified in a Cochrane review. Furthermore, 30% of MSARF students were co-authors on a published article. In looking at match data, 58% of MSARF participants matched into an anesthesiology residency program. Factors that were associated with the likelihood of entering anesthesiology included being a senior student at the time of MSARF participation and also being a co-author on a published article. We compared the match rate for MSARF participants to students that applied to the MSARF program and compared those to students that went into the NRMP match from 2014. So while 58% of MSARF participants matched into anesthesiology, 29% of MSARF applicants went into anesthesiology, and only 4% of PGY1 applicants nationally went into anesthesiology. So in conclusion, we found that 42% of MSARF projects were ultimately published, 30% of students were co-authors on publications, and 58% of MSARF students matched into anesthesiology residency programs. So important next steps for this work include determining the long-term impact of this program on the development of academic anesthesiologists and evaluating alternative strategies to increase the number of physician scientists in anesthesiology. Thank you.